Hello viewers, are you wondering on how we can solve the value of x? So watch this video up to the end. So we are given 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equals to 16. So we are asked to find the value of x. So stay tuned and make sure that if you know how to work it out, please remember to share with us your answers on the comment section as we shall verify. So the first thing is, let's start now. So on the solution part, this one is what you are given, 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equals to 16. Now, since 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is the same, so we need to factorize these two numbers. So this can also be written as 4 to the power of x, then into the bracket 1 plus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 16. Since now 4 to the power of x multiplied by 1, we shall get 4 to the power of x, then plus 4 to the power of x multiplied by again this one, you shall also get 4 to the power of x. So we proceed to the next step and now say that 4 to the power of x into the bracket 1 plus 1, we shall have 2, then we close the bracket, is equals to 16. Now, so after we've reached that step, now you are supposed to divide 2 with both sides. So we leave the 4 to the power of x separate. So meaning that this one divide by 2, so this side also divide by 2. So that now 4 to the power of x is equals to 16 over 2, now shall give us 8. So in this step now, we now need to introduce the logarithms, since now we shall say that the log of, so here now the log of 4 to the power of x shall equals to the log of 8. So after this now we shall be forced to divide the log of 4 to the power of x by both sides. So meaning that here now we shall divide all of, so before we divide, the log of 4 to the power of x can also be written as the x log 4, which is equals to the log of 8. Then now from there, now for us to remain with x on this side, now we need to divide these sides by the log of 4, this side also by the log of 4, so that now this side and this side shall cancel. Now we shall remain with x. So now we shall say now x is equals to the log of 8 all over the log of 4. Okay, so here now we can still say that this x can also be written as the log of 8 can also be expressed as the log of into bracket 4 multiplied by 2, close the bracket, all over the log of 4. So now when we now separate them, so it means that this sign, according to the rule of the exponents or the log, this sign for the multiplication will change to addition. So now we shall say now x is equals to, this one shall be the log of 4 here, so all over the log of 4 again here. Then from there, this one, the multiplication will change to the addition now. So this one now we shall have the log of 2 here, all over the log of 4. So after we've reached that step now we are now able to cancel the logs. So this one and this one shall cancel. So now we shall have x is equals to we shall now have 1 here, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So our next step now we shall have, so we can still simplify the log of 4. Here now we shall have x is equals to 1 plus log 2 all over. So the log of 4 can also be written as this way. This one can also be expressed as the log of 2 to the power of 2. That now we shall say now x is equals to 1 plus the log of 2 all over. So when we express the log of 2 to the power of 2, now we shall have 2 log 2. So since here now we shall have 2 log 2, you find that the log 2 and log 2 are the same. So these ones shall cancel each other, so that now we shall have now x here. So our x is equals to the 1 plus, so this one shall now be 1 over 2 without the log. So from here now we can work out this one is a simple fraction that shall take us within seconds to work out. So here what's common here, So we shall find the LCM. Let's also put this one over 1. So that now the LCM of 1 and 2 now becomes 2. So 2 goes into 1 how many times? 2 times. 2 goes into 1 2 times, and 2 times 1 is 2. So we shall have this 2 plus 2 into 2, 1, and 1 times 1 is 1. So now when you work out that one, our final answer becomes 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So meaning that our x now here, so x is equals to 3 over 2. So this one is now becomes our final answer. So don't go away. We can still check this answer if it's really true. So let's check it and find out. So our problem was 4 to the power of x then plus 4 to the power of x is equals to 16. So that is what our problem was. So let's check to confirm if it is indeed true. Now, so where this x, we place it with 3 over 2. So this one is equals to, now we shall have 4, then to the power of 3 over 2, then plus 4 to the power of 3 over 2 is equals to 16. Okay, so this one is equals to, now when you see 2 as the denominator, meaning that you can easily find the square root of 4, which is 2. So now we shall have 2 to the power of 3 there, then here now plus here 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 16. So 2 to the power of 3 means that now you multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 again, which is now 8. Then 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So meaning that 16 is equals to 16. So you find now that these two are the same. So meaning that our answer is finally correct. So if you happens to get our x, so meaning that now our final answer now says that our x that we are looking for is equals to 3 over 2. And that is the final answer.